Lenovo Yoga 3 Pro 1370 Review, Graphical Grasp. The main CPU clock frequency may be low and its performance somewhat variable, but Intel hasn't scrimped much on the GPU component of this Core M chip. The Intel HD Graphics 5300 graphics engine has 24 execution units, EU, which are broadly comparable to stream processors, and a maximum frequency of 850 MHz. In our tests it showed heavy-handed throttling effects, which we would attribute to either intelligent thermal management or memory leak issues. In the Batman, Arkham City game test, the Yoga 3 Pro initially indicated an average frame rate of 27 FPS, using our lowest 1280x720 pixel and medium detail setting. On the second run of the same test, it played at 25 FPS. Third and subsequent runs saw the frame rate drop steadily to 24, 23, 22 then 21, and down to 20. Repeated playthroughs then seemed to stabilize at around 21 frames per second. On exiting the game we noted a Windows low memory warning. In the OpenGL tests from Cinebench 11.5 and 15, the Lenovo averaged 17.3 and 19.6 FPS respectively. Lenovo Yoga 3 Pro 1370 Review, Storage. Flash storage of the Yoga 3 Pro is courtesy of an M.2 SATA solid-state drive, a Lite-On L9G series component with 256 GB capacity. In our tests this could sustain 434 MB/s sequential reads and 375 MB/s sequential writes, and good 4K performance of 19.5 and 38.5 MB/s random reads and writes. At Q depth 32, this enabled near parity of read/write performance, at 64,000 IOPS. Lenovo Yoga 3 Pro 1370 Review, Battery. Long battery runtime is the raison d'etre of the new Core M series processor, and here we found a reasonably good final result available from the non-removable 44Wh lithium polymer battery. In our standard looped video rundown test over Wi-Fi, the Yoga 3 Pro lasted a shade under 6 hours, 5 hr 56 minutes. That's better than many laptops, if less than half the 12+ hours you can expect from the 13.3-inch MacBook Air with its Intel Core i5 processor. Standby time was decidedly poor. Over the space of one weekend, the Yoga 3 Pro had drained its battery from full to empty while simply left in standby.